All right, so you want to have a fresh look for that special someone this Valentine's Day. Well, here to tell us how to look years younger is Dr. David Mazurski with Contour Lace Body Institute and his patient, Jessica Thomas. Good morning to you both. How are you?
Great.
Jessica, I'm going to ask you in a little bit about your story, but I got to ask Dr. Mazurski, how's everything going so far?
Great. This is our first anniversary coming up.
Congratulations.
And in our new location.
Yes.
And this year has been fantastic. I mean, we've established ourselves as the best place to go for rejuvenation of your skin and preeminent place for awake liposuction. So we're really happy with the response that we've had.
Yeah. And when you say awake liposuction, what is that exactly? Tell us.
That's done with the patients wide awake and under local anesthetic. The recovery time is very small and discomfort and excellent results, and you know, it's just the way to go.
Okay, and speaking of excellent results, I got to ask Jessica, because Jessica, you got to tell us a little bit about your story of why you decided to come to Dr. Mazurski.
You know, I was seeing lines around my eyes and around my mouth and here around my lips, so it was time to do something. And
well, your skin looks beautiful. So how long ago did you see the doctor?
I guess it's been maybe only 2 months ago. My last visit was 2 months ago.
Wow.
And I did the G factor, and that is what helped to fill up these lines around my mouth and around my eyes.
And there's her before picture.
Oh, this is your before picture.
Yeah.
Okay. And so tell us, that's when you decided, I got to go see the doctor.
Well, and in that picture you can see all the dark spots and patches around, and I really wanted to get that taken care of. Sunspot, sun damage, and he got me on Abaji, which has helped tremendously. I mean, I've been on it for 6 weeks and I'm still seeing results, still sloughing off layers, and spots are getting lighter, and I'm loving it.
And so what exactly did we do on Jessica here?
Well, Jessica had some Botox and she had a little bit of filler put in her face, and we did the G factor, which is called a vampire lift in certain circles.
What do you mean by that? What
take
is
your own blood and we make a filler out of it that we inject into her skin.
You're really?
And you can see her skin is just glowing.
I was worried.
Yeah.
Wow.
It really.
She did great.
Okay, so you had that done, and then Volumilift too?
The Volumilift is a combination of the Botox and the filler.
Oh, okay, so it's a combination.
She had that done plus the G factor, and then we put her on Abaji.
What exactly is Volumilift, though, if it's a combination?
Volumilift is a combination where we inject the fillers in the deep part of your face to support the parts that sag over time. Here's a lady that had one right there, and you can see the tremendous difference that you can do with just a few simple things. That was an hour's worth of work. That's a Volumilift and a G factor, and she looks 10 years younger.
She's beautiful.
And that's 4 days after her treatment.
Yes, and then aside from that, Abaji, we got to ask about that too, because I know, Jessica, you're a big proponent on that, right?
Big fan of it.
Yeah, Abaji is a skin system. There are 6 parts to the standard system, but they have special systems for different needs, and it stimulates cell growth and replenishment of the vital nutrients to the skin. So it's a great routine. It involves you having to do it every night.
So
in the morning and the night.
So it's a routine that you take home and that you do it on your own, morning and night. Okay. Well, I know a lot of people are just wondering how can I get Jessica's skin? Well, you can always contact Contour Lace Body Institute. They're located at Stone Oak. ContourLace.com is the website, and there is the phone number. It's 494-8446. Also log on to our website, kens5.com/greatday.